morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng shell pasta spaghetti. Okay? Yung gagamitin natin na pasta, hindi yung typical na mahaba na pasta, kundi yung shell pasta dahil yun lang ang available ko. Okay? So, sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, 1 piece tomato, 1 piece red bell pepper. Meron tayo ditong 300 grams na shell pasta. Meron tayong 1 cup na cheese. Hiniwa ko na siya sa maliit na cube. Meron tayo ditong 2 tablespoons na butter, 2 pieces na calamansi. Meron tayo ditong evaporated milk, meron tayong fiesta sausage, corned beef. Gagamit tayo ng dilata kasi wala akong ground beef or ground pork. And gagamit din tayo ng cooking oil, of course, salt and pepper. And also meron tayo ditong spaghetti sauce. Okay, so ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Meron tayo ditong boiling water. Sa boiling water, maglalagay tayo ng isang kutsarang asin. Ayan. At saka isang kutsarang cooking oil. After that, ilalagay natin ang ating pasta. So, ayan ka-friendship. I-stir lang natin para hindi dumikit yung ating pasta. And then, iboboil natin siya ng at least 8 to 10 minutes or hanggang maging al dente yung ating pasta. Friendship, i-check natin yung ating pasta. Tingnan natin kung al dente na siya. Ayan, al dente na siya ka-friendship. So what we're going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa boiling water and then i-set aside na lang muna natin siya. To do next ka-friendship, sa isang preheated pan, ilagay natin yung ating butter. Ayan. I-melt na lang muna natin siya ka-friendship. And after that, isusutay natin yung ating garlic. And then, dagdag na rin natin yung ating onion. Saka yung ating kamatis. Dagdag na rin natin yung ating red bell pepper. Then after that, yung ating corned beef. Gisa lang natin siya ka-friendship. ating tawag dito, yung ating ang tawag dito, chorizo, ano to? Basta, nakalimutan ko. Ayan, idag natin yung ating sausage. Ayan, isi-simmer lang natin ka friendship ng at least 1 to 2 minutes. Ka friendship, pwede na tayong magdagdag ng ating spaghetti sauce. Ayan. Mix very well. Then after that, dagdag na rin natin yung ating evaporated milk. At saka yung ating cheese. Cheese sticks. Ayan, isi-simmer lang natin siya ka-friendship ng at least 1 to 2 minutes din. Balikan natin siya later. Okay, at this point to friendship, pwede na tayong magdagdag ng konting salt. Ayan. Saka yung ating pepper. Siya ka-friendship. Ayan. So, at this point, tikman natin kung okay na yung saltiness niya. Ayan, okay na siya ka-friendship. So, what we're going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng dalawang calamansi to enhance the flavor of our spaghetti sauce. So, ayan. And then, what we're going to do next is i-mix na lang natin yung ating pre-cook or yung ating pinakuluang shell pasta. So, ayan siya ka-friendship. Mix very well lang para mag-incorporate yung ating sauce at saka yung ating pasta. So, ayan ka-friendship, luto na yung ating shell pasta spaghetti. Ready for serving na siya. Ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating shell pasta spaghetti. Okay, so ayan na siya ka-friendship. So, dagdagan natin siya ng cheese sa itaas. Mas maraming cheese, mas masaya. Ayan. Okay ka friendships, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating shell pasta spaghetti for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Tutumira at your service. Always remember to choose your thoughts carefully, keep what brings you peace, and release what brings you sufferings, and know that happiness is just a thought away. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!